In a bold move to enhance educational efficiency, Akwa Ibom State House of Assembly has called on the state government to urgently provide adequate learning facilities in public primary schools across the state. This resolution followed a motion presented on Thursday by Honorable Emem Udom, member representing UKANAFUN State Constituency, who emphasized that quality school infrastructure is critical for effective curriculum development and implementation. Honorable Udom noted that despite government's significant investment in education, many schools still suffer from dilapidated facilities, highlighting the urgent need for revitalization and improved infrastructure.
The Ministry of Education are equally suing, should equally move to live up to their responsibilities. I am aware that His Excellency has partnered to fund SUBE, where we expect that some of these debts will come from that angle to different primary schools in their respective local government.
If you go into the rural area, you will notice a lot of students or people sitting down on the floor to learn. And day in, day out, on the floor of this house, we've been talking about the dilapidated schools and blocks in various schools across the state.
Other lawmakers also stressed the importance of active involvement by local government authorities in addressing infrastructure challenges in primary schools within their respective communities.
And the state of infrastructural decay in most government primary schools has reached an alarming stage. It is apparently sad that despite huge government investment in the education sector in the state, including schools, blocks, from payment of teachers, salaries, and other government interventions, people in the post-government primary schools still see on the basis to receive lessons. Mobilize relevant government ministries and agencies for the production and supply of groundnets, tables, chairs, and other sundry infrastructure in government primary schools within the state.
Speaker, House of Representatives, Right Honorable Emem Udom tasked the Education Committee to work with relevant agencies to improve government primary school infrastructure statewide.
Of government primary schools in the state, so as to assess the level of infrastructural decay in this school. Honorable, do you agree with this resolution?